Big super, the out on Church Street, Church Corner. Yeah man, a whole heap of dust step on the road, so on the update on Church Street, Church Corner. I have to come in at the shop second week of September. The last time I talked to her.
I don't know what to say. It looks, this minute it looks, so the next minute it not looks.
Hold on. What you say a while ago?
Just say I see you here, brother.
Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Big super, the out on Church Street, Church Corner. I don't know what happened. The road block up and we have to come out of the taxi and do the walk. Yeah, here's a spray. So we come out of the taxi and we have to do the walk people because the road block up and we don't know why the road block up out at Church Street, Church Corner. But we walk and we take a look because we see them a grade down the road because you know say them supposed to do some work on the road or some paving supposed to take place anytime soon now. Yeah, some paving supposed to take place, so it's in the afternoon people and we're going to look for me. What if we can find me? I think that the time that wow, we need some time people. Yeah. We need some time people, so we're there and 2:29 in the afternoon. Yeah, Thursday, September the 7th. Everyone done so. Thursday, September the 7th, and we're there on Church Street, Church Corner. Work can take place. You see the road wet up with water, but kind of a whole heap of dust that take place since week, yeah? Yeah man, a whole heap of dust step on the road, so it look like them out to start some work. Yeah, it look like them out to start some work out here on the main road. Big super up on the road, and I do the walk to the gas station because we have to see what take place today. We hold up the traffic and thing, and we don't know we want to stop also at the tailor shop and we want to talk with the tailor to find out exactly what really take place out on the road. So where walk people, the traffic. It's a long line of traffic off and I come out of the taxi way down there, so it's so far. I walk on people. I mean I say nothing now move. Yeah. I mean I say nothing now move. So I walk around the corner to the courthouse to see if I can see exactly what really take place on Church Street, Church Corner. Why the traffic come to a standstill. We see a roller, so we see say work out to take place on the road there. People, big super there. Out here on Church Street. They're out here on Church Street, Church Corner. We just make a walk, people. And you know, it's the Rasta man. You know I'm tailor shop. But I don't know. I'll see if we can pass through and find out what really are going today, because you know when I want to update on Church Street, Church Corner, I have to come in the shop. I have to talk to the Rasta man. The Rasta man I eat him dinner.
Yes, I.
What go on the road
I
now?
eat lunch, man.
You eat lunch?
Yes, I.
Alright, let me come to the
Just
beautiful.
they are same way.
Hold on. What you say a while ago?
Just they are same way, brother.
The dust they are same
The man
way?
is this way from man in the like dust. I swear.
You swear?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me talk to the beautiful lady. She said second week of September.
Hopefully.
The last time we talked to her.
I don't know what to say. It looks, this minute
Hopefully.
it looks so, the next minute it not looks so.
What is it? This minute it looks so?
If it looks so, the next
Hopefully
minute
the
it not
real thing I
looks
know,
so.
I don't know.
Because we just get the water from morning.
From
and
morning.
trust me, the dust and the
When
other
time
way.
we didn't want the water and not get it. And when you
No.
not plan to pack up and go home. You just not get it.
Yeah, nice.
So Natty,
I tell you, brother.
what you say?
Man, the man did the road now, man.
Yeah.
Full time. 3.5 years, brother.
Yeah.
Before.
Yeah.
Man, the deal road now, you know.
Yeah, for
Just
real.
give us do
More
some
than
ease.
patience.
Brother, I dust to this, you know. Watch. You know, you see that, sir?
Yeah.
I dust to that, you know, man.
Don't do that.
Right, you know, say, you know.
Yeah, yeah, me see that man, me see that.
I dust to that, you know.
Yeah, me see that.
Yeah.
Ring
Think
like
terrible, man.
around my neck.
A ring light that round your neck. Why that not
Inside. Every
good?
time when I finish the medication them,
Yeah.
but I feel it again, so definitely the dust.
The dust I do it. Alright, me I go back on the road. Me I see what I go on. Alright, blessings. So many people, me just come out of the tailor shop. Yeah. On the car seat. Big super just come out of the tailor shop. And the people them said dust. I kill them inside there. The man show me him on. And the girl say want ring something to come around her neck. And she have to take medication to get rid of it. So my viewers and sub. This is some grading I go on way down to the gas station. Down the road there so. And Big Super. I make a walk on Church Street, Church Corner. We look on the roadway, we look on the road condition to see how things are come on. It's a Thursday afternoon, as I tell you now. The morning hot, but the evening the afternoon get cooler. 2:34 in the afternoon. Yeah. And it's Thursday, September the 7th. Yeah, my viewers and sub. September the 7th, grading down, dampering down and go on. But the people them still don't know if they must see the asphalt anytime soon. And you know what, September they want to get a piece of road there. Out of the way, my viewers and subscribers. See the Parish Court house the people and things. Big Super. It's on the road. People. Away, I do the walk. Traffic come at a standstill. Yeah. Traffic come at a standstill. The viewers and subscribers. So I see like the traffic now start to move again. Yeah, so it look like the machine where they do the grading. Yeah, it look like it gone way down. Like it gone down to the bridge. Yeah, so I don't know what them intend to do with this road here. This Church Street, Church Corner, main road. It seems like they want to take it on for good and now. And them grade it down, see the machine there. People all the way down to the tax office. Yeah, the grader. So it seems like they want to take on this stretch of work, this stretch of road there, and do some road and do some work on it. Yeah, my viewers and sub. It needs for mall, but it not start mall yet. It needs for mall and a lot of hole in it. We also need to pull out my viewers and sub. A lot of hole in it. We also need to pull out. So, my viewers, Big Super, they're on the road, and we are walk down to the grader. Oh, look where I'm going. Yeah, work are going out on Church Street. Place jam up and block up. Yeah, my viewers and subscriber, Big Super is on the road. See the bus park, the people. All right, bless up. All right. Yeah, man. So some of my loyal subscribers, them are big me up. The viewers and so we're up on Church Street, Church Corner, and we are walk cut down the road. See a car come there. We are walk down on the road. Minutes past 2, minutes to 3, and we are doing the walk. We see the grader, I grade down the road with the right, in front of the rum store, in front of the tax office. Wow, ring my foot there, so? Yeah, so we're there, in front of the rum store, in front of the tax office. The place blocked up with traffic, and big super up on the ground. I do the walk. My viewers and so. Yeah. So work a go on in the September, yeah. Work a go on the road, people. Yeah. And big super. The whole place block up. We make the walk, people. We make the walk come down here. The whole place block up with motor vehicle and big super. I tell you if you like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Yeah, alright. More love. Turn on your post notification bell. You understand, people? Just do the right thing. Big super. Come up to the bridge. We'll lead you to the town. Morant Bay, I'm urban, come out of the copyright zone here. Big super, come up to the town. Hi. Get on me. Big super. Hi, sweetie. So, we have come up to the town, people. Let me come out fast through the traffic. Yeah, man. So, the traffic basically come out at standstill. My viewers and subscriber. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, I walk from Church Street. I look at some come out of the car, people, because I know the car not reach here. So, the taxi with me, you know. No. It not reach nowhere. I know it not reach nowhere down here, so people. So you see, if I never come out of the taxi, I won't reach as a people. So people, just do the right thing and just fill up the comment section. Big super saying to you guys, peace out.